This is Steve Fox Plumbing. We're here today at 3052 Cajon Boulevard in San Diego for the brewery. They had a plumber come out and say that the line should be inspected. He thinks there might be dips or something in the drain lines. I know that the sewer goes underneath the building to the north side of the building to an alleyway where there's an easement. So we're going here from the men's restroom, where it's just a urinal, as you can see here. Just down to the left of the urinal, there's a clean out. That's where we're going to be going through. So I'm going to enter this guy. I'm going to make the drop. Looks like it's still holding water. Holding a little bit of water. I'm going to back it up, pause the video and put a riser on this deal, so that way we can cut a good line of everything. Okay, I got my adapter on, so I'm going to go ahead and drop in. See what we can find. As you can see, you got a lot of buildup in here. I'm going to keep pushing out a little bit further. Let's see if I can see a lot of buildup. Looks like this section wasn't built very well. Let's see if I can't get through this. I'm positive I didn't go and run some water. Okay, I got myself somewhat cleared up. As you can see, we're here down the main line. So I'm going to zero my footage counter and take off from here. So I'm trying to shake this cobweb or whatever you think this is. So I'm going to try to play with it for a little bit. Okay, I got that part cleared. Kinda. As you can see, we got a lot of air movement this way. So I'm going to turn the water off and see if that helps at all. Okay, it looks like we're just going to have some dust. So far, the first section right here by these bathrooms looks like it might be a little on the flat side, but there's a lot of tie-ins. This section is not holding water as of yet. going to pause the video here and see if I can't flush the toilet, try to get this cleared up a little bit. Okay, I flushed the toilet a couple times, try to get this cleared up. As you can see, we got a little bit of clarity. There's still a lot of glare, unfortunately. So just keep pushing forward. I'm running some water, try to help me push this cable a little bit further, see if we can't get out to the city tie-in. But as you can see, we're already out almost 80 feet. So let's keep trying to push a little bit further because I don't think the city tie-in is that much far away. I'm going to pause the video here, locate, because as you can see we're tying back into cast iron. So I'm going to see if there's a little bit more accessible spot because I'm going to have a real hard time trying to get through this. I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I located this. I'm right at the end of the building. So I'm running some water, trying to hopefully get a little bit further out. Well, this is going to have to conclude our video for today. I don't see any other cleanouts accessible. As you can see, water's flowing pretty good here, so I don't think there's any major issues. There's not a whole lot of standing water. I've flushed both toilets quite a few times, and there's been no signs of stopping or major issues except up in this initial area by the bathrooms. We got 4 different restrooms, all tied in at once in one area. So there's a lot of buildup in this general vicinity. but otherwise everything appears to be looking like everything's working good. And like I said, this point in the line is literally right at the back wall of the building. And when I look out down the clean out, right by the city tie-in, nothing seems to be issues there. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave this recording for a couple minutes to show that I can flush all 4 toilets, or excuse me, 3 toilets several times, no issues, and we should be good. Okay, so I have flushed 3 toilets 3 times, hence all this water that you're seeing. With that volume of water, you would think that we'd see an issue with it backing up if there was a major dip. I can go back out a little bit further. As you can see here, the water's not really holding. I mean, I'm putting a lot of volume down there. There's no issues. So I think this line's okay. Does need to be cleaned up around this first entry area, but otherwise we're in good shape. Again, this is Steve Fox Plumbing. I'm at 3052 Cajon Boulevard for the brewery. Thank you for watching.